Crunchy pakoras are satisfying to the soul, isn't it? During fasting, I eat one meal during sunset, and this unique combination is my favorite. Kuttu or buckwheat pakoras with some quick aloo curry. For the quick aloo curry, I am heating up 2 tablespoons of ghee. Just before I add the spices to the heated ghee, I am turning off the flame. In heated ghee goes in 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 2 green chillies, and 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. These are the simple spices I have during fasts. I am adding to this 1 cup of water to keep the spices from burning after I turn on the flame. I am adding to this 5 medium-sized boiled and peeled potatoes, roughly broken by hand to give a nice texture to the curry. Adding to this another cup of water, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur, and rock salt or sendha namak as per taste. I am mixing everything together and will let this come to a boil. Cover this and let it cook on a low to medium flame for 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes and the quick aloo curry that you can have during fast or even beyond it is ready. Now, I will be showing you how to quickly make some crunchy kuttu pakoras to go with it. I am going to use the kuttu or the buckwheat flour made from the buckwheat whole grain. I am taking 1 cup of buckwheat flour or kuttu atta. Into this goes in 1 tablespoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 inch ginger grated, 2 green chillies chopped, and rock salt as per taste. Let's give this a quick mix. Time to add water in batches to make the batter. While making the batter, never add all the water in one go to avoid lumps. The consistency should be neither thin nor thick. Medium is just fine. The batter is ready. I am adding to this 3 boiled and peeled potatoes one by one, breaking them roughly by hand. Mix the potatoes in the batter and we'll let this rest for 5 minutes. Time is up and I have hot oil ready for frying the pakoras. Lower the flame. Now I'm adding the kuttu and potato mixture into the oil in small quantities. My personal suggestion is to fry them only when you are ready to dine. They taste best when hot, fresh and crispy. The pakoras are getting fried and trust me, this deep fried aroma is just beautiful. Here I have crispy, hot pakoras ready to eat. A humble curry and crispy fritters. Each is good, but even better together. Just like friendships, isn't it? Eat well, live well, and stay blessed.